Hello guys, today I would like to make a review about Honda Mustang seat and of course other comfortable features, some updates that is must have for a Honda Rebel bike. So first of all, let's start from this Honda Mustang seat. I got the stock seat to compare it with the Mustang. Here is a Mustang, a single seat. So first of all, let's compare it. As you can see, Mustang seat is bigger. It's much more in size. I mean, it's bigger in size. Let's try to touch it. Much more foam inside. Here is the stock seat. At the back, it's really not much foam, and I think the main problem with stock seat, it's in general, if we are talking about the stock seat, it's okay up to I think 100 maybe kilometers, something like that. After your ass will hurt a lot. I think the problem is here. It's not much form here, and in general, as you can see, it's tiny seat. To compare it with Mustang is stock seat and the Mustang. It's wider here, maybe a little bit shorter here, but it doesn't matter. It's really not a problem. So, what can I say about this update? After my review, I will show you how I looks like on the bike. I'm 185 centimeters, so you can see if this bike is suitable for me or a person like me. So, what can I say about this Mustang? Is it worth it or not? I think it's yes, but there is some but. You need to think about it before you buy. So first of all, the Mustang states they don't have the break-in period. I don't agree with that, because when I just bought this seat and put it on the bike, and I think I ride about maybe 100 kilometers, something like that, maybe less, I feel extremely uncomfortable. The problem was here. Too much push from this part, maybe because I'm not a small guy, but I felt really not so super comfortable. And I thought, it's really strange, you know. But after another 100 kilometers and another 100 kilometers, I start notice that this seat breaks in, and it adds so much comfort to the riding, as it's a must-have update. It's a must, and it's not only the comfort, the look. I think it looks better than the stock seat. Let me change it to the stock seat. I will show you how does it looks with the stock seat. Here is the stock. As you can see, the stock seat is smaller here. It's shorter. Maybe it's a little bit wider. As you can see, it's wider and it's shorter. It looks okay, but the Mustang seat, as you can see now, so the Mustang seat. By the way, the installation. I had problems here. As you can see, this paint is scratched, because when I first installed it, I put this part under this metal pipe. not under, above this metal pipe. And I had some problems and I fixed it. Now the installation. I heard a lot of rumors that the Mustang seat is hard to install, but it's not true. Let me show you how easy it is to install it. Here you go. No, oh no, as you can see, it's wrong installation right now. I had such problem. I don't know if you can see it. See, the one metal bar goes above this metal tube, so we need to pay some attention for that. So now I think it's okay. Yep, but installation is quite easy. It's not hard at all. And the look, as you can see, it's taller seats, much more soft, much more soft. So let's go back to the comfort. With this seat I can ride up to, 300 kilometers, and I feel really okay. And the most important part, in the morning after such a long ride, I feel great, no pain, nothing. With stock seat, on the second day after a long ride, it was a disaster. It was really a disaster. But with Mustang, it's really great. So let's get back to the second must-have options, comfort option for this bike. That is really the game changer, I believe. It's really a game changer. As you can see, already noticed, if you're looking for a Rebel, Honda Rebel, that you're sitting not with foot forward style. It's like something like middle. As you can see, I have a new foot pegs here. So the Mustang seat alone is great, but there are another big problem with Rebels that you need to change. But what can I say? That the pegs, it costs really, I don't know, it's something like 40 euros, something like that. I ordered it from AliExpress, and here is the difference. It's a stock pegs. Here is the pegs from AliExpress. As you can notice, it's much bigger. I can put the whole feet here, and you cannot imagine, it adds so much point into the comfort. I really don't need any forward foot pegs, nothing. I just put my leg here, my foot here, and I can ride for 200, 300 kilometers. I doesn't feel any pain. With stock foot pegs, there was a problem. It's tiny. It's too small for my leg. There's a lot of push here or here, depends where you put your legs, and the blood circulation is really not good. And after, I believe, 100 kilometers, even less, I start to feel the pain with these stock pegs. It's really not good for a long ride. It looks okay, it looks great, but this one, it's a must-have update. Together with this Mustang seat, it adds dramatically to the comfort, really a lot to the comfort. So this combo, the foot pegs, the Mustang seat, is a must-have. It's a game changer. Believe me, it's a game changer. Mustang seats, depends on the market, it will cost quite a lot, but it's worth it. And you don't need any foot pegs forwarders, something like that. Just buy the simple ones, the wide ones. The quality is really nice. It's a metal, as you can see. It's nothing lower in quality than the stock pegs. They are wider, they're not slipping, nothing. Really, I really love it. I can ride for hours now on my Rebel, and it's perfect. About the windscreen, as some stocks, not stocks, OEM, how to call it, these updates from Honda, It's really nice, it's good, but it's not must have. The heating, the windscreen, additional update here, but it's all like some stock options from Honda. So it's time to see how I would look like on the bike with Mustang seat, and this is stock seat. Here's my riding position when I ride the bike. I can move my legs here. Reach is okay. Very nice. After the Mustang, the stock seat is really harder. It's harder, you can feel it. It's okay. I think the stock seat is okay for some short town ride, but if you want to ride for longer, some motorways, more than 100 kilometers, the stock seat is not the best option. You definitely need to upgrade. But the stock seats have more room at the back. But here is a problem. You will have more room, but the Mustang seats move you a little bit forward. But for me, it's really not a problem.